Hello everyone, welcome to this weather briefing for April 15th, 2026. So let's get started. Here is the severe weather outlook for April 15th. It is a level 2 out of 5 slight risk for severe weather, which encompasses locations like Ellsbury, Troy, Warrenton, St. Charles, Washington, Chesterfield, St. Louis, Festus, and Union in Missouri. In Illinois, Alton, Edwardsville, Belleville, and Waterloo. All those locations will be in all of the outlooks. Here's the tornado outlook for April 15th. It is currently a 2% risk for tornadoes, which means we could see tornadoes between EF0 to EF1 strength. I believe the main hazard will be damaging winds. Here's the damaging wind outlook for April 15th. It is currently a 15% risk for damaging winds, which means we could see wind gusts between 60 to 65 miles per hour. Here's the severe hail outlook for April 15th. Here's the severe hail outlook for April 15th. There are currently two levels. One is currently a 15% risk for severe hail, which means we could see hailstones between the sizes of quarter to ping pong ball and encompasses locations like Ellsbury, Troy, and Warrenton in Missouri. The other level is a 5% risk for severe hail, which means we could see hailstones between the sizes of pea to quarter, and it encompasses locations like Wentzville, Washington, Union, Chesterfield, Eureka, St. Charles, St. Louis, and Festus in Missouri. In Illinois, Alton, Edwardsville, Belleville, and Waterloo. Now let's look at the timing for these storms. Alright, the storms look like they're going to get to the St. Louis area around 1 to 4 p.m. And then the most intense portion looks to be around 5 to 7 p.m. And then the severe weather will be out of the St. Louis area by 8 to 9 p.m. The max updraft helicity or hail parameters showing 0 to 303. The significant tornado parameter values show to be around 0.1 to 1.6. The most unstable CAPE convective available potential energy or storm fuel is showing to be around 10 to 3020 joules per kilogram of storm fuel. The surface-based CAPE convective available potential energy or storm fuel is showing to be around 0 to 3020 joules per kilogram of storm fuel. The Supercell composite parameter shows to be around 0 to 7.7. The temperatures are showing to be around 70.6 to 82.5 degrees. The dew points are showing to be around 57.3 to 70.8 degrees. I pray you all enjoyed this weather briefing. I more than likely will not be live tonight for the severe weather because the conditions aren't that favorable for the need for me to go live. So I'll see you all in the next weather briefing or live stream. Bye!